Ever feel like the little things in your day take more time than they should? These Amazon finds changed my daily routine by making everyday tasks faster, easier, and way less stressful. From smart helpers to simple upgrades, these are the kind of products you'll wish you found sooner. All products are linked in the description below. Your feet work hard all day, so they deserve better than a quick rest. This foot and calf massager uses deep kneading rollers and gentle compression to help melt away tension and soreness. The wrap-around design boosts circulation, which can leave your legs feeling lighter and more refreshed. It's especially helpful for tired arches and plantar fasciitis discomfort after long hours standing. Just sit back, slide your feet in, and let relaxation handle the rest. When floor space disappears, your walls can save the day. This mounted towel rack turns empty, vertical space into smart storage for rolled towels, toiletries, and everyday bathroom essentials. The upper shelf adds room for decor, tissue rolls, or items you want within reach. Its metal frame and wood plank create a clean spa-like look instead of bulky clutter. Perfect for small bathrooms, apartments, or any space that needs instant organization. Keeping track of pills should not feel like a full-time job. This smart dispenser releases the right dose on schedule, while sound, light, or voice alerts remind you when it's time. Family can set everything through an app, check missed doses, and adjust routines even from far away. A digital lock helps prevent accidental access, adding extra peace of mind. With expandable trays that hold weeks of medication, refilling becomes rare and simple. Why light a flame when you can warm the mood instead? This candle warmer lamp melts jar candles from above, filling your room with fragrance without smoke, soot, or open fire. A simple top dial lets you adjust brightness and set a shutoff timer so it works around your routine. The focused heat helps candles melt evenly for better scent release. With its stylish cloud-shaped shade, it doubles as cozy decor too. This is not just a scale, it's a full-body progress report. Step on and grab the handle, and it measures weight, body fat, muscle mass, BMI, and separate readings for your arms, legs, and torso. That segmental analysis helps you spot imbalances and track real fitness changes, not just one number. Your results sync automatically by Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so progress stays logged without extra effort. It can even recognize multiple users, making one scale useful for the whole home. A safer shower can make everyday life feel easier again. This foldable shower bench gives you a sturdy place to sit while bathing, adding comfort and confidence when balance is a concern. When you're done, it lifts neatly against the wall to free up space. The teak seat brings a warm, stylish look instead of a medical feel. Strong support and smart design make daily routines simpler and safer. Bending in the shower should not feel like a balancing act. This foldable footrest sticks to smooth walls with a strong suction cup, giving you a stable spot to raise your leg comfortably. It makes shaving, washing feet, or quick grooming much easier and less awkward. The textured surface helps keep your foot secure even when wet. Best of all, it installs in seconds with no drilling and travels easily too. Time should never feel confusing, especially when days start to blend together. This large digital clock clearly shows the time, day, date, and even parts of the day with simple sun and moon icons. It also helps you stay on track with up to 20 alarms and medication reminders, so nothing important gets missed. The bright screen is easy to read from across the room and can be dimmed for night comfort. With its simple design, it quietly brings structure and peace of mind to daily routines. Falling asleep gets easier when light and noise finally stop fighting you. This silk sleep mask blocks out brightness completely while wrapping your eyes in a soft, breathable fabric that feels cool on the skin. Built-in ultra-thin speakers let you listen to calming music or white noise without needing uncomfortable earbuds. The flat design sits gently, even if you sleep on your side, so nothing presses against your head. With all-night battery life, you can drift off peacefully and stay that way. Small text shouldn't slow you down or cause frustration. This handheld magnifying glass makes reading labels, books, or tiny details much easier by enlarging everything clearly and smoothly. Built-in LED lights brighten your view so you can see even in dim rooms or at night. You can switch between warm, cool, or mixed lighting depending on what feels best for your eyes. Lightweight and simple to use, it gives you clearer vision right in your hand whenever you need it. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance when you've got heat and steam working together. This handheld steamer smooths out fabric fast so your outfits look fresh without pulling out a heavy ironing board. It heats up in about a minute and releases powerful steam that helps relax stubborn creases in seconds. The ceramic base glides easily over clothing, making the process feel effortless. Compact and quick to refill, it keeps you looking sharp with almost no waiting time. You don't have to choose between getting fit and getting things done. This underdesk elliptical lets you pedal away while you work, watch TV, or just sit and relax. It's whisper quiet, under 15 decibels, so nobody around you will even notice it's on. 12 speed levels plus a hands-free auto mode mean you can dial in exactly the right intensity for your body. And with the included remote, you don't even have to bend down to change a thing. Sore muscles don't wait for a convenient time. And now, neither do you. This mini massage gun is barely bigger than a smartphone, so it slips right into your bag and goes wherever you go. Don't let the size fool you, though. It punches 7 millimeters deep into muscle tissue, breaking up tension and soreness the way a full-size device would. One charge powers up to 7 hours of continuous use, so it's always ready when you need it. Your muscles will thank you. Gardening is supposed to be relaxing. Your knees shouldn't pay the price for it. This folding kneeler flips 2 ways. Upright, it's a sturdy seat. Flipped over, it's a cushioned kneeling pad with 8 inches of wide, joint-friendly support. It holds up to 330 pounds, yet folds down light enough to carry with one hand. A built-in tool pouch keeps your essentials right at your side, so you're never hunting for a trowel mid-dig. For anyone who spends real time in the garden, this one's a no-brainer. Crumbs on the couch, dust on the shelf, mess in the car, this thing handles it all in seconds. At just 1.4 pounds, it's light enough to use with one hand without your arm getting tired. The suction is surprisingly powerful for something so small, pulling up dust and debris in one quick pass. When you're done, one button empties the dustbin cleanly, no touching the mess. It sits in its own charging dock, so it's always ready to grab and go. Ever set your glasses down and immediately forget where you put them? Problem solved. This tiny magnetic clip attaches to your collar, shirt, or jacket and holds your glasses securely in place, hands-free, all day. Strong neodymium magnets grip your clothing firmly without leaving marks or damaging fabric. It works just as well for ID badges and small accessories too. You get 2 in the pack, one for every day, one for when you need a backup. Your feet carry you all day, it's time you return the favor. This collapsible foot spa fills up, heats up, and bubbles away the stress of the day in minutes. You control everything from the included remote, temperature, bubbles, timer, without bending over once. 3 attachments let you scrub, massage, and deep clean all in one session. And when you're done, it folds flat to just 4 inches, so it tucks away without taking up any space. Some of your best work or best mornings happen in bed. This bamboo laptop desk brings a proper workspace right to you, no desk required. The surface tilts 6 different ways and adjusts in height so you're never hunching or straining your neck. It's sturdy enough to hold your laptop, your coffee, and your breakfast all at once. A little built-in drawer keeps your phone, pens, or charger off the surface and within reach. Cozy just got a whole lot more productive. Good lighting doesn't just belong in a photography studio, it belongs in your bedroom. This full-length mirror comes built in with LED lights that let you switch between warm, neutral, and white light so you always see your outfit exactly as it'll look in the real world. At 65 inches tall, you get a head-to-toe view in one glance. No assembly needed, it stands on its own, leans against a wall, or mounts horizontally or vertically. It's equal parts functional mirror and stunning room statement. Growing a baby is hard work. At the very least, you deserve a good night's sleep. This U-shaped full body pillow wraps around you completely, supporting your belly, back, hips, knees, and head all at once. No more stacking 3 pillows and still waking up sore. At 57 inches long, it's big enough to actually make a difference, and the removable cover makes washing it effortless. And you don't have to be pregnant to love it. Side sleepers, back pain sufferers, and anyone who just wants to sleep better will feel the difference too. Dry air is quietly ruining your sleep, your skin, and your sinuses, and this fixes all of it. This smart humidifier covers up to 600 square feet and runs for up to 80 hours on a single tank, so you're not constantly refilling it. Switch between warm mist in winter and cool mist in summer, depending on what your space needs. It connects to Alexa and Google Home, so you can adjust everything hands-free with just your voice. No garden? No problem, and honestly, no excuses either. This vertical hydroponic tower grows up to 25 plants in just 2.3 square feet, stacking upward instead of outward so it fits almost anywhere. Instead of soil, nutrients go straight to the roots, meaning your herbs and vegetables grow up to 5 times faster than they would in a traditional pot. Built-in full-spectrum lights mimic natural sunlight, so the plants thrive even deep indoors with no windows needed. The automated pump handles watering on its own, and the tank only needs a refill every 2 to 3 weeks. This is the foot massage you've been promising yourself after every long day. It wraps around your feet, ankles, and calves, and goes to work with deep kneading, air compression, rolling, and heat therapy all at once. 5 pressure levels and 3 massage modes mean you're fully in control of how intense the experience gets. It's wide enough to fit up to a size 15 shoe, and the wireless remote means you never have to bend down or interrupt your relaxation to adjust a thing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.